Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 8, Money. I know all of you know about money. You have seen coins and you have seen notes. In the coins you have seen paise also, rupees also. Indian money is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. What is that? In terms of rupees and paise. Okay, Indian money is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. Now, you might have seen paise, 25 paise you have seen, coin, 50 paise coin you might have seen, and 1 rupee coin, 2, 5 and 10 rupee coin. And notes you might have seen. Have you seen 1 and 2 rupee notes? I doubt. Okay, anyway you might have seen 5 rupee. Okay, so then 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, okay, 200, 500, then 2000. All these notes you have seen. In today's class, we are going to learn how to write money in figures. How to write money in figures. We write the symbol before writing the money in figures. This symbol is recently added. Recently means 2-3 years back. Before we were using RE for rupee, okay, RS for rupees, and small English letter P, okay, for paise. Now we write, instead of these two places we use the symbol for writing the figure, and paise definitely is just using the small letter P. Okay, so writing in figures, 2-3 things we have to keep in mind. The first thing we have to keep in mind is we have to start with the symbol. Which symbol, children? This one. How to write? Very simple it is, okay. So how you write the ra in a Hindi, okay. So I hope you are able to do it. Okay, starting with this. Then the second thing, you have to separate rupees and paise using the dot. Rupees and paise using the dot or the bindu. Now, how to write? For example, if I want to write 50 rupees 10 paise. 50 rupees 10 paise. First, what I told you, we have to write the symbol. Yes, I have written the symbol here. Next, I told you 50 rupees 10 paise. So, I am writing 50 rupees 10 paise. Now, we have to separate the rupees and paise using the dot. You have to separate the rupees and paise using the dot. How to put the dot? Now, you just count from ones place. Ones, tens. After tens place, you are going to put the dot here. Now, it is read as rupees 50 and 10 paise. But if there is no dot, we just see there is no dot. Now, how it is read? It is rupees 5010. See the difference? So, please don't forget, once it is given paise, you have to separate the paise using the dot. How to separate? Count from ones place, ones and tens. Okay, 2 numbers back. You count and put the dot. If you don't put the dot, it is going to be full rupees. Just once again, if I want to write 5 rupees 25 paise. If I want to write 5 rupees 25 paise, how to write here? 5, 25 paise. If I write like this, how is it read? rupees 525. There is no paise. To make it into paise, what we have to do it? We have to put the dot. Separate the rupees and paise by the dot or the bindu. How to put the bindu? Ones, tens and here. Now how will you read this? We have to read it as 5 rupees and 25 paise. Are you able to do now? Okay. Shall we see some examples, children? Now, look at the blackboard, children. 10 rupees and 10 paise. Now, what are the things we have to do? We have to write the symbol first. Yes, I wrote the symbol. Now, 10 rupees, 10 paise. Now, we have to separate the paise and rupees with a dot. How to? Ones, tens, put the dot. So, this is your answer. The second question is 20 rupees and 25 paise. 20 rupees and 25 paise. So, please write the symbol first. 20 rupees and 25 paise. Separate the rupees and paise with a dot. Ones, tens, put the symbol. Now, here you see 50 paise. There is no rupee here given. So, what you have to see? First, the same way, put the symbol. Since there is no rupee, you have to put the 0 here. Okay. And write the paise, that is 50 paise. The same way, no rupee, so I have put the 0 here. And 50 paise, count it once, tens and put the pin. So, remember, there is minimum 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, if there is no rupee in that place, please add 0. Okay, that is the way of writing. Okay, you have to remember there is no paise is given. So, instead of paise, you have to put 0 and write the rupee. There is no rupees are given, then write 0 there and continue with the bindu and then the paise. Now, the next one, 100 rupees and 50 paise. Now, symbol 100 rupees, 50 paise. Now, are you able to write it, children? I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you then.